Beautiful people, powerful people, I'm talking to you. That's right, Brian Hardy here checking in, and this is going to be a fun video. This is going to be a sort of day in the life slash vlog slash review for the Qualia Energy Shot. Energy Shot by Neurohacker Collective. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I really enjoy the products from Neurohacker Collective, namely their Qualia products, nootropic formulas. Very, very good stuff. Really industry leaders, in my opinion, in terms of their formulations. And they recently told me that they're going to launch a energy shot and sent me some samples. So, beautiful gold packaging. I love this. I've never seen this before, but I got to tell you, it makes a nice feeling when you receive this in the mail. So let's take a look just at what the product itself looks like, what's inside it. Then we shall drink it, have a taste, and then I'm gonna go outside with my lady. We're gonna have a workout, morning little energizer, and then we'll be back throughout the day to report on how we're feeling. So this is what it looks like. Quite a nice, again, gold and black, beautiful packaging. These guys are always on top of things. And yeah, clean, lasting energy, focus, and mental clarity, enhanced drive. Focused, alert, driven. Triple berry flavor. Okay, 12 high purity nutrients to fuel energy and cognition, including 9 nootropic compounds, 3 adaptogen extracts, 2 NAD boosters, and 1 choline donor. Okay, that all sounds great to me. I'm not gonna go through all the ingredients here. I'll let you look those up, or I'll link to those down below this video. But things that might be standing out, so 200 milligrams of alpha GPC, hence the choline donor. There's some wild blueberry fruit extract. There's some organic coffee berry, whole coffee fruit extract, which again is in their Qualia. And it's what allows something with, you know, only 90 milligrams of caffeine, which is quite low in terms of stimulants, to feel so powerful. Yeah, so suggested use: shake, then drink 1 bottle in the morning. Do not exceed 2 bottles in a day. Consumed several hours apart. Okay, so let's see here. 2 ounces, 60 milliliters. The triple berry flavor is what they've got going on here. And in terms of the non-medicinal ingredients, that's where you always got to look for these things to make sure there's nothing really, really toxic. So here we've got purified water, organic coconut sugar, malic acid, natural bitterness. That's interesting. No, natural bitterness masker. I don't know what that is, but it's something. Potassium sorbate, sodium benzoate, natural flavors, blueberry, acai, raspberry, and vanilla. So, you know, there's some stuff, you can't make a shelf-stable drink product that I'm aware of. It's not going to have some preservatives, so potassium sorbate and sodium benzoate, and malic acid as well in this case. If you're very sensitive to certain things, those might be an issue for you. I tend to do okay with those things, although citric acid, I've noticed, can give me issues, but that's just me. So, shake it up. Tear the top. Let's rip this guy open. We had a nice little corrugated packaging that seems to actually work. Oh, I don't know about you guys, but that always happens to me. You get halfway down the corrugated tearing and then it rips. But that's not really a problem here because it's the lid. So, okay, so nice and easy. No frustration to be had when trying to get into this thing. And okay, let's give it a go. This is on an empty stomach. All I had this morning was some lemon water. And let's see, shall we? How does it taste? How does it smell? Oh, it smells like fake berry flavors. Ooh, that is not super delicious. like a Red Bull or one of those, really low quality energy drinks that a lot of people default to, unfortunately. So it doesn't taste great, which you wouldn't really expect it to, because there's some pretty powerful herbs and amino acids in here, and not a lot of sugar. So, okay, it tastes, it's not great, but it's also not terrible. So that's that. Down the hatch. We'll see how much it activates me. I find my workouts are always amazing when I have Qualia in my system. So I expect nothing less today. About to go take our bikes out and yeah, getting activated. Okay, here's how I'm feeling. Real fired up, but not in a anxious way, not in a jittery way. Just went on about a 45-minute bike ride with about 30 minutes of some calisthenics and movement and working out down at the fitness park. And definitely noticed more activation in my nervous system, more engagement in my movements, more endurance in my movements. All I had today was a little bit of raw honey and some bee pollen, which is a pretty awesome pre-workout, I must say, by itself. But the combination was fantastic. A little bit of coconut water, warm coconut water, as we did our workout. But it definitely boosted me in a nice way. And the other thing that I really enjoy about Qualia and just good nootropics in general that I felt with this energy shot was an almost immediate sort of uplifting, slightly euphoric almost. It's just like, I'm ready for the day, I'm excited for the day, I want to create, I want to just get busy and do my thing, which I don't always get from, just like caffeine on its own, like coffee or tea on its own. Doesn't always get me there. So definitely enjoyed it. Definitely think that it's something I like to have in my toolkit. And if you want to learn more, then check out the link below. I'll link to the product page and some of the information that Neurohacker offers around this thing. And yeah, depending on when you see this, it will have just launched or just be about to launch. October 29th is when it goes live in their store. And as always, you can use code BHARDY, BHARDY, and get 15% off anything that you order. I would much appreciate that. It goes to support my work, this content, all the things that I do. And it's something I believe in, something that I've got benefit from and want to share with y'all. So if you have any questions, feel free to DM me, send a comment down below. Like this video if you appreciated it, share it, or subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you soon.